Hi Virgo, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love trading, guys. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are taking few cards, Virgos. If you want more clarity in your situation, Virgos, you can watch the pick card love reading I have after this general energy, guys. So let's see what are these cards. First, guys, so for your general energies, we have mountain, lilies, and mice. So Virgos, in your situation, guys, maybe in your career situation or in your relationship, you have a lot of things going on. You need to overcome a lot of challenging situation, and maybe in your life today you are seeing obstacles and there is also a lot of resistance. So people are resisting change or they are resisting your growth. So some kind of competition, stress may be there. It may be a physical obstacle you are facing today or a mental obstacle. So you need all your confidence and strength to overcome these problems you are facing today. And maybe for some of you, you are at the end of your limits, end of your power. So you don't know what to do, which way to go. And maybe in your life today, people may take credit for your efforts. So they are trying to use you in some ways, guys. And you may lack your peace of mind, happiness, and confidence in your situation because of these people, because they are grabbing your opportunities, ready to grab your opportunities today. So it may be some situation in your work. So these people are corrupted, and your situation may you are facing a lot of stress today in your life, guys. Virgos. But Virgos, I also see a change coming in your situation, guys, because you are someone who's really pure and honest, and you are making honest efforts in your life. It be in your relationship or in your work situation, you want to do things in the right way, and you are working truthfully, honestly, and that may be the reason things may take a turn, things may change. So in this relationship, if you are seeing troubles, this person may come to an understanding, and you both may share a good understanding and a harmonious, beautiful relationship with each other, guys. Or if you are facing some difficulties in your work situation, that situation may also change, guys, and your reputation will grow today, and all the trials and challenges you have faced has been worth because of the way things are going today, guys. Very positive changes. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have Tower. So there are some inevitable changes happening today. Maybe it may be painful today for you, but these changes are necessary, guys, for a positive outcome in your situation. Maybe there may be some arguments or fights, but with these arguments, you know what is there in this person's heart, and they will know what is there in your heart. So you will have a better understanding of each other, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Fox. So even in your work situation, just like we saw with the previous card, so someone is trying to make use of you. So they are quite jealous and envious of you, guys. That is the reason for their behavior. So you have to be careful with this person, Virgos. So that is the reading for you today, guys. Virgos, thank you for watching. But I also see that your situation will change, guys, will change positively. You just have to have that confidence and trust in yourself, Virgos. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and first crystal, your second card and second crystal. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will see what is the card for those who chose this card, guys. It is Sacred Phoenix Heart. So with this card, guys, maybe in your situation today, you may have some confusion, something bothering you or worrying you. You have gone through a lot, endured a lot, made a lot of sacrifices, but there is uncertainty and confusion today, guys, in your situation, and you don't know which way to go. And maybe today you want answers, you are looking for answers. And this oracle card, it comes with a special guidance, guys, that whatever you are looking for, maybe answers for the troubles or some clarity in a situation, whatever it is, you are getting the answers. And the way of getting that is by letting go of your striving or opinions or your doubts, despair or fears, whatever you have. So you don't need any of it, and there is a guidance waiting for you, reaching you today, and you will see things with a better clarity, guys. And also with this card, guys, there is a special guidance for you all, that divine timing is working for you. So though you would have faced a lot, you would have sacrificed a lot, you would have faced a lot of trials in your life, but whatever it is, whatever the situation may be, guys, divine timing is working, and at the right time, right things will unfold for you. So at that right time, whatever you expect, the answers you are seeking will reach you, guys, and you need not worry. So you just have to wait for it with curiosity, and there is no need to fear or worry today, guys. So just be curious for the way things are going to unfold for you, and even the next step may be the final step towards the answers you are seeking today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card and this crystal, it says the children of Lyre. So with this card, guys, the energy is that you, all of us, guys, not only you, all of us, we are first of all, we are great souls. We have lived for a long time, and maybe this present life, this small lifetime, this is just a part of that long life, long soul life we are having, guys, on this earth. So maybe this is the time we need to understand that in our situation, guys, we are evolving ourselves, we are growing emotionally, physically, mentally, and spiritually. So, this is one of that journey, and whatever our life unfolds or whatever journey is unfolding in our life, it is our soul's journey, guys. So we need to go through all that to move towards a greater evolution, a greater change in life. And maybe in your situation you are going through a lot of troubles, maybe stress, maybe. So no matter whatever it is, guys, your suffering and your pain is quickly coming to an end. And maybe for some of you, you have a lot of burdens or responsibilities. So all that is going to end, guys. And also you need to understand that if someone loves you truly, they love you for what you are, not for your form or appearance. So they love you for your true nature, for your true characteristics. For what to say, it will be a soul connection, guys, and it will not be something based on superficial things like beauty or appearance. So maybe today this is a time of assessment whether this person loves you truly. So maybe if they love you truly, it will be love based on what you are, not for what you appear to be. So appearance are not important, and you may have a deeper bonding with this person beyond your appearance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for y'all. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.